Hello, today we'll be showing how to log in to the school system as a parent to access your child's activities and resources. First, open an online browser and navigate to the search bar. From here, you can paste in the link provided or type in myapps.microsoft.com and hit enter. This will bring you to the sign-in page. From here, enter the email address provided via our email, making sure to include the @bcc.net.au at the end. This will bring you to the Bundaberg Christian College branded login, where you will have to enter the temporary password provided once again via email. After you log in, you'll be prompted to change your password. Follow the on-screen instructions to create a new, secure password. Your new password needs to be a minimum of 8 characters and contain at least one capital letter, one number, and one special character. Now your new password is set, wait a few minutes before revisiting the login site and signing in. A few minutes later, with our new password set, we can now enter it, alongside our email to log into the account. After completion, you'll be asked to set up additional security information. This information will be used to recover your login if you lose your password. Follow the on-screen instructions to add your phone number as a recovery option. You may instead choose to add a personal email address as a recovery option by clicking I want to set up a different method. Once you've inputted your phone number or email address and click next, you'll be prompted to enter a code. This code will be sent to your device via the recovery method you choose. With this done, your verification is now complete and you can now access the home page that has a variety of different apps such as Canvas and Parent Lounge.